Welcome to the MS600 presence sensor installation and operation video. Package includes presence sensor, pet-proof shield, double-sided tape, power cord, adapter, cable clips, user manual. Open the bracket using the notch on the back for multi-angle adjustment. Insert the power cord. When the sensor is upright, extend the power cord from the bottom. The bracket's cable groove ensures neat power cord organization in any direction. Use the provided cable clips to neatly and aesthetically arrange the power cord. To get the best results, position the sensor upright and facing directly at chest height, around 1.2 to 1.8 meters above the ground. This helps improve detection accuracy where you usually sit or stay for a while. Our presence sensor detects presence within 6 meters and motion between 6 to 12 meters. Avoid installing it directly facing air vents, fans, curtains, plants, or anything else that might cause movement. To ensure accurate radar detection, when the biological detection only mode is on, the sensor assesses targets using heat and motion. Thus, installing the pet-proof shield can block heat detection to minimize false triggering. Attach the double-sided torpedo the clean bracket. Press the bracket for 60 seconds to ensure a strong bond. It is recommended to use the Meross app to complete the setup process. Meross's unique space learning and detection range calibration enable the sensor to make more precise detections, providing a user experience that better fits the current environment. After completing the setup in the Meross app, you can sync the device with other platforms. Open the Meross app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Smart Sensor and Alarm, and choose MS600 to start the pairing process. After the MS600's position is confirmed, tap Add to Apple Home. Scan the Matter QR code, and follow the instructions to complete the setup. After pairing, click the device on the home page and follow the instructions to complete calibration. Before starting space learning, aim the sensor at the target area. Ensure there are no air conditioners, fans, people, or pets in the detection area. Now the setup process is complete. You can now use the Meross app to set your presence sensor. Set the detecting distance to better suit your needs. Objects beyond this range won't trigger the presence automation. The default detection distance is 6 meters. If false triggers occur and the actual distance is less, reduce the maximum distance to match the space. Adjust the absence confirmation time to set how long it takes to switch to unoccupied status. Don't set it too short to avoid false triggers. We offer 2 modes. Biological detection only detects warm objects, reducing false triggers from fans and curtains. Security mode detects both heat changes and movement, increasing sensitivity but possibly causing more false triggers. This feature helps confirm if the device detects activity and prolongs stillness in its current setup. During testing, radar waves are active. A green light indicates motion detection. An amber light shows slight movement, and no light means no motion. 3 sensitivity modes to suit your needs. Responsive mode detects minor motion, ideal for bedrooms or small movements 4.5 to 6 meters away. Balanced mode, perfect for daily use in living and study rooms. Anti-interference mode reduces false alerts, great for busy areas or places with plants and curtains. The above is the MS600 presence sensor installation and operation video. Wish you a happy use.